Hello everybody. So now I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about e to the power of 8 equals to capital 8. So this one represent about capital 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we can put the limit going here. Now we need to concentrate on this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Capital B, that is about this one. And we have like this. Next, when s approach to number 0, this one they will go to negative infinity. This one they will go to negative infinity. So that means this one they go to infinity in here. So because they go to negative infinity, this one you got number 0. So 0 divided by negative infinity. So this one we have number 0. And now we go back in here. So the value of this one equals to number 0. So the value of this one we have number 1. So this one equals to number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.